Namo Namaha. We are learning looking around of class 5 and we were talking about chapter 1 super senses. There are 5 senses: vision, touch, taste, smell, hearing. We are talking about smell. We have seen that even animals do have these senses, and we have seen that how, due to the sense of smell, ants follow a straight line. How a mosquitoes and dogs can recognize their area. Now in this video, we are going to talk about Rajni. Today, Rajni had to go out for some important work. She had to leave her 6-month-old son Deepak with her sister Sushila. Sushila also has a baby of the same age. It was funny that both the babies did potty at the same time. She happily cleaned her daughter, but when she was cleaning her sister's son Deepak, she covered her nose with her dupatta. So here in the picture you can see Sushila. She is covering her nose with dupatta while cleaning Deepak's potty. She has one daughter. Her daughter also did potty at the same time and she happily cleaned her daughter. But when it came to Deepak, she covered her mouth with dupatta. Why is it so? Right, so let us think and discuss. Sushila covered her nose when she cleaned Deepak's nappy, but not when she cleaned her daughter. Why do you think she did this? Can you pause the video and can you tell me the answer? Can you think about that? She happily cleaned her daughter's nappy, but when it was about Deepak, she covered her nose. Why is it so? Can you answer this? So when we feel something is dirty, we find its smell bad. If we talk about Sushila, she thought Deepak's nappy to be dirty. So she had to cover her nose. But when she was cleaning her daughter's nappy, she did not think of it being dirty because she was her own daughter, while Deepak was her sister's son. So she did not find her daughter's nappy dirty, while Deepak's nappy was dirty for her. So how do you feel when you walk near a heap of garbage? Whenever you go somewhere, you may have find a heap of garbage. So how do you feel when you walk near a garbage? Think of the children who spend the whole day picking things from such garbage. You may have seen many children who spend the whole day picking different things from such a garbage. How do you feel about them? So, what is your answer? Of course, we feel bad when we walk near a heap of garbage. But children who spend the whole day picking things from such a garbage become used to the smell. Their minds do not get affected by the smell. So, is the smell good or bad for everyone in the same way? Or does it depend on how each one feels about it? So, a particular smell can be good for one person and it can be bad for another person. For example, I like a smell of petrol or kerosene, But it is not necessary that everyone likes smell of petrol. Some people may get irritated by smelling it. I like the smell of perfume, but it can be headache for someone else. So it depends on how the person thinks about a particular smell. But some smells can always be bad for most of the people. Now you have to answer, do the clothes of any of your family members smell? Whose? Did you ever come across any smell in a crowded place, such as a fair, bus, train, etc.? Whenever you travel somewhere by train or bus, you may have come across bad smell of sweat. What will you do then? You have to think about that. So we will talk about some another topic in the next video.